Good morning everyone. Student, today I will start the exercise of chapter weather climate and adaptation in the animals. So all of you get ready to write down the question answer. Okay? In previous classes I have completed the all topics of this chapter. Student, there are some question, oral type question, which are given in your book in between the topic. So all of you, this is your responsibility to write down this answer of the question which are given in the between the topic. So you will fill in the book directly with the help of pencil. If question will long answer type, then I will skip this, omit this. Okay? Because there are many questions are given after the completing the chapter. So ready with pencil, pen, classwork copy. Okay? Class 7, subject science, sub-subject biology. Today's topic, exercises of chapter number. Student, you know, I am also taking the book for the explanation of this chapter's question. So all of you open the page number 109. 109 oral question. Page number 109. Question is first question is, what is the short term adaptation called? Okay, short term adaptation is called the temporary, temporary, temporary adaptation. Answer 1, 2. Name 2 typical animals living in polar region. Okay, there are so many animals are polar bear, penguins, polar bear and penguin. Third, name one each of the large and small animals living in tropical rainforest. Large animal, and small animal. Large animal and small animal. Large animal is student write down elephant, rhinoceros, rhinoceros, and small animals write down monkey, rodents, Okay, write down in your book. Now question number 4, what kind of food is taken by the most tropical rainforest animal? You know, generally they are depend upon the vegetable, plants parts, so generally herbivorous. Okay. What kind of food is taken? So write down. GEN generally herbivorous animals are found in the tropical and forest. Fifth last. How do penguins protect themselves from cold? Penguin is a animals which are found in the polar region. So penguin protect themselves from cold, they have feathers are found on their belly. So you can omit this question. This is the already upcoming questions in your exercises. This will be in exercises, in this types of question. So write down today's summative exercise of this chapter. Summative. Okay, summative. Page number 110. 110 open. Question very short. Very short. Student, very short question answer. What changes from day to day? What changes from day to day? The weather or the climate, student. Day to day changes is called, you will write down the weather. The correct answer is weather. First, weather. All of you write down question in your fair copy, then answer. Then question number 2. I am not going to write down the question. You will write down only. Question second. At what time during the day the temperature at a place is the highest? Student, afternoon. AFTERANOON. Question number 3 and their answer is. Third question is, which of the coastal or inland area are cooler and winter? Coastal or inland area are cooler and wetter. You know, student, coastal area, COASTAL, coastal area are cooler. Answer number 4. What is adaptation are the genetic basis called? Permanent. Permanent adaptation. Question number 5 and their answer. Mention one adaptation in penguin. One adaptation in Penguin. P-E-R-M-A. Penguin. Stay huddled together. Stay. S-U-D-D-L-E-D. Together. S-U-D-D-L-E-D. Now I am going to erase this very short. Short answer B. Mention two human activities which influence the climate of a place. Answer first. You will write down question also. I am not going. The two human activities. First is the large cutting of trees and industrialization are two human activities which influence the climate of a place. Write down step. Trialization. Industrialization. Okay. So correct. Write down the correct spelling. Large, you can write on scale, understood. SC scale. Cutting of trees and industrialization are two human activities. Now question number, I am going to read the question number 2. Name the various elements of weather. Student, I have already completed this. The various elements of weather: temperature, humidity, rainfall. Answer 2. Temperature, humidity, rainfall. Temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed. Are the element of weather. Write down first. Name the geographical factor affecting the climate of a place. There are so many geographical factors that affect on the climate. The given write down answer number 10. The climate of a place the climate of a place affecting by the following geographical factors. The climate of a place affected by the following geographical factors are: write down distance from the sea, mountains, distance from the sea, mountains, third, ocean currents, ocean, CURREN, ocean currents, fourth, write down fourth, El Nino effect, fifth, you can write down fifth, human activities, distance from the equator, distance from equator, six, human activities, okay, there are 6 points. The climate of a place affected by the following geographical factors are: student mention the answer with pencil. So ready with pencil and eraser and textbook. Because I am giving some clues to write down the answer of the following question. Okay, student, I am going to erase this. Question number 4. Name one animal living in polar region. Answer number fourth, polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bear live in polar bear. Okay. Write down correct whole one animal living in polar region is polar bear. 3. Adaptation of polar bear are they are hibernate. They are hibernate. Okay, they are hibernate during winter. Second, they have white or light colored. They are white thick fur. They have white thick fur. They have white fur. Okay, fur. Layer of fat under the skin. They have they have wide and large paws. Wide and large paws having claws. Right now, student. The last question. Mention 4 adaptation in elephant. Answer number 5. Four adaptation in elephant are four adaptation in elephant are. So, student, all of you mention the answer of this question in the book. Page number 108. Page number 108. Large fan like ears, large trunk, tusk, and large pillar like legs. Number 1, large fan like ear. Fan like ears. Okay, write down 2 points about this. Write down 2 points about this given in your book. Okay. One hundred 8, 2 points. Large trunk, second, large, TRUNK, third, tusk, TUSKS, and fourth, large pillar like legs. Large pillar like legs. So all of you write at least 2 points in each. Okay. Now I am going to give you homework. Write down today's exercise of chapter 7 in your fair copy and learn it. Okay. So all of you write down the one word question answer and very short. Means short and very short. Okay. Now I will discuss the large exercise. I will mention it in your book. You will write down very neat and clean at your home in the free time. And I will explain the odd one out and define the following terms. Okay. Thank you, student. Your class is over. Have a nice day.